Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Fearless. I hope you have a good day. Today I want to talk about how to speak English smoothly and continuously in 6 months without stress. I want to tell you a story. 6 months to speak. Once upon a time, in a small town in Turkey, lived a 22-year-old girl named Layla. She loved watching Hollywood movies, but she always watched them with Turkish subtitles. She dreamed of speaking English fluently, but it felt impossible. One day she said to herself, 6 months. I'll give myself 6 months. I want to speak English, not perfectly, just confidently. Month 1. Start small. Layla deleted Instagram. She downloaded a free English app instead. Every day 20 minutes. No excuses. She learned simple sentences like, I like coffee. What's your name? Where do you live? She didn't understand everything, but she didn't stop. Month 2. No subtitles. She started watching her favorite shows without subtitles. At first it felt like noise, but slowly she caught words like, yes, okay, really. She repeated scenes again and again, and she started mimicking the actors. Month 3. Speak out loud. Layla began talking to herself in English. In the mirror while brushing her teeth. Today I will go to the market. I feel tired, but I want to learn. She sounded silly, but she was training her brain to think in English. Month 4. Find people. She joined a free English Discord group. She spoke once a week with strangers from India, Brazil, Egypt. She was scared. She made mistakes. She apologized, but every week she got better. One day, someone said, Your English is great, Layla. She smiled for 1 hour straight. Month 5. Write and shadow. Layla started writing a diary in English, just 1 paragraph a day. Then she discovered shadowing, listening to a native speaker and repeating word by word like an echo. Her pronunciation changed, her rhythm improved. Month 6. Confidence, not perfection. She stopped translating in her head. She started thinking in English. She still made mistakes, but now she didn't care. Because she could communicate, she could make jokes, she could ask questions. She was finally free. Moral of the story: you don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent, brave, and curious. Just like Layla, you can speak English in 6 months too. Start today. If you liked this video and found it useful, like it, leave a comment and send it to your friends. Learn English without stress here. See you next video.